Business professionals, expanding your corporation or launching a new one in Maine is a significant step. To ensure your journey is smooth, understanding the Maine Secretary of State registration for corporations is vital. Before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Maine has experienced a steady growth in the number of corporations registered every year. In 2021 alone, over 5,000 corporations made Maine their official business home. Behind this number is a comprehensive registration process that demands careful attention. In Maine, the first step is determining your business type. You have options such as C corporations, S corporations, and limited liability companies. Each type has its own benefits, responsibilities, and requirements. Understanding them is fundamental for long-term success. After deciding your corporation type, there's paperwork to consider. Completing the Articles of Incorporation or Articles of Organization accurately is critical. One error can delay your registration or even lead to costly complications down the road. Fees are a part of this journey as well. Maine's registration fees vary based on the type and specifics of your business. These fees, though essential, can sometimes surprise newcomers. With every corporation, annual reports are mandatory. These reports keep your business in good standing with the Maine Secretary of State, but the specifics of what to include can sometimes be confusing. And while the process might seem intricate, there's good news. Welcome to legalregistration.com. We are here to streamline the process for you. We've successfully registered countless corporations in Maine, saving business professionals valuable time and potential setbacks. Our team works one-on-one with the Maine Secretary of State, ensuring that every step, from selecting your corporation type to filing annual reports, is taken care of efficiently. By partnering with us, you gain the confidence that comes with expertise. The journey of corporation registration in Maine becomes less daunting and more about the excitement of new beginnings and possibilities. In a world where over 60% of new businesses face challenges with state-specific regulations, having a trusted partner like legalregistration.com becomes indispensable. Don't become a statistic. Let us guide you through the Maine corporation registration process, step by step. Get started today by visiting legalregistration.com, or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps of starting a corporation in Maine? Does the process seem simple or complicated? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.